This is about the incident that occurred yesterday about the killing of Sheikh Abu Drogo in Mombasa. First, I want to say that this is a most heinous act and stand condemned by the government. On behalf of the government, I would like to condemn in the strongest term possible the heinous murder or assassination of Mr. Abu Drogo. This is something that is not acceptable by the government, and we have given instructions to the Commissioner of Police to ensure that the culprits are brought to book immediately, that these people are arrested as soon as possible and taken to court. We do not accept wanton killing of any innocent Kenyan. That if somebody is suspected of having committed any kind of crime, there are laws available in our country through which the kind of crimes can be dealt with. We do not go or run a government by the rule of the jungle. So every Kenyan needs to feel safe within our boundaries. And I would like at this moment in time to urge for calm, because I know that passions are very high in light of what happened yesterday. And in the heat of the moment, a lot of destruction can be brought upon innocent people. As you know already, one innocent person was killed yesterday, and a lot of properties were destroyed, particularly belonging to churches. We don't want to see an interreligious war come out of this, because this has nothing to do with religion. Christians were not involved, and therefore we should not see Muslims and Christians beginning to fight. Just like a month and a half ago, we had an incident in Garissa where a church was attacked. A grenade was thrown into the church, which caused the death of a number of people. We then urged Christians not to see this as a religious war between Muslims and Christians. Likewise, I would like to appeal to our Muslim brothers not to try to see religion into this or to bring it into this. Let us control ourselves as Kenyans. Let us act with restraint so that the law enforcement agencies have opportunity to get at the root of this issue.